grade math. Multiply a mixed number is our lesson. We're on page 273, 274. I'm going to work through odds on page 273 with you. Our objective is to multiply a whole number and a mixed number. All right, there's a couple steps to this. Again, they've drawn out a picture for you. What we have to do, when we have a mixed number, we have to change it to an improper fraction to multiply. Remember, when we're multiplying, we multiply the numerators and then we multiply the denominators. So let's look at number 1. We have 2 times 1 and 2/3. We have to get this into a state where we can multiply, going straight across. So we know that 2 becomes 2 over 1. That equals 2. We change this from a mixed number to an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. Your denominator remains the same. Now we can just multiply going straight across. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. I have an improper fraction. Now I'm going to change it back to a mixed number. 3 can go into 10 3 times. I have 1 left over. 3 and 1/3. All right? So there's a couple steps to this, but if you follow the steps, convert your numbers so that you can multiply, you've got this. Let's look at number 3. 3 says 4 times 2 and 3/5. So 4 becomes 4 over 1 times 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5. Now I've got to multiply 4 times 13, which is 52. 1 times 5 is 5. How many times can 5 go into 52? 5 can go into 52 10 times. 10 times 5 is 50. I have 2 left over. All right? Let's look at 5. 5 is 3 times 2 and 1/3. I've got 3 over 1 times 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. 3 times 7 is 21 over 3. 3 can go into 21 7 times. All right? It's just a matter of following the steps. You guys know your multiplication tables. You've got this. Let's look at 7. I've got 6 times 6 times 1 and 2/3. 6 becomes 6 over 1 times 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. 6 times 5 is 30 over 3. 3 can go into 30 10 times. All right? A couple more, guys. 9. 4 times 2 and 5, 6. 4 becomes 4 over 1 times 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 is 17 over 6. 17 times 4 is 68 over 6. 6 can go into 68 11 times. I've got 2, 6. These are both even numbers. I've got to remember this step to reduce. 11 and 1/3. All right. Let's do one more on this page. 11. 11 is 5 times 2 and 4/7. All right? 5 becomes 5 over 1 times 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4 is 18 over 7. 18 times 5 is 90 over 7. 7 can go into 90 1, 2, 12 is 84 with 6, oops, sorry about that, 6 over 7, 12 and 6 sevenths. All right, there you go. Follow the steps, guys. It's going to take a little bit of time, but if you follow these steps, you've got this. Good luck.